Hi, my name is Wenda O'Neill, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really super adorable heart gift box. It's perfect for weddings, baby showers, pretty much anything. Starting with Cricut Design Space, let's upload the design. Now the box I just showed you was about 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So to get that size, you really need to pay attention to that inner square. That's the size that the box is going to end up being. I'm going to change the width to 14.5, and I'm going to rotate the design by 45 degrees. This is going to allow me to keep the design on the 12 by 12 mat. So I'm only going to need a 12 by 12 mat, which means I'm only going to need a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. Awesome, right? Now let's cut that piece out, and you'll notice that to take the cardstock off the mat, I'm actually bending the mat, and what this does is it allows you to leave a very flat, not curved, piece of cardstock. Plus, the mat does a lot of the heavy lifting. It pulls off all of those little dots from all of the perfs. So now I'm going to just bend all of the different perforated lines. Everything that's perforated, I'm just going to bend to make sure that when I'm ready to just fold my box together, everything is, ready. Everything's just bent and ready. Okay, looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to pinch those corners, pull in the sides with the tabs, and just connect the heart. Slide the heart into itself. Ta-da! I know, it is so cool, and it's such a sturdy little box. It's completely closed. It's not going to easily come undone. You have to unslide it. Let me just show you one more time. So I'm going to pinch those corners and slide the heart shut. I just love this box. This box is perfect for anything, for a gift, for a baby shower, a wedding shower, any kind of moment that you want to give something that's small enough to fit in the box, maybe jewelry, maybe a note. I mean, it's just such a cool and easy box. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and that subscribe button for my YouTube channel.